If you're searching for an Invideo AI coupon code, promo code, or discount code, you've probably noticed something a little confusing. A lot of websites and videos claim they have exclusive coupon codes. But when you actually go to upgrade your account, there doesn't seem to be an obvious place to enter them. So what's going on? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain how Invideo AI coupon codes work in 2026, where discounts actually come from, whether promo codes still work, and the best ways to save money before upgrading. Let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you need to know is that Invideo AI has changed quite a bit over the last couple of years. Many older tutorials show a coupon code field appearing directly during checkout. However, depending on the version of the pricing page you're seeing, that coupon field may not be immediately visible anymore. In some accounts, users have reported seeing an apply coupon option at the bottom of the pricing page after clicking upgrade, rather than inside the final checkout screen itself. So if you're following an old tutorial and wondering why you can't find the coupon box, that's probably why. Now here's something else that many people don't realize. A lot of Invideo AI promotions today don't actually work like traditional coupon codes. Instead, they often work through special affiliate links, promotional landing pages, partner offers, or annual billing discounts. In other words, you don't always type a code manually. Sometimes the discount or bonus is automatically attached through the link you use. That's why you'll often see creators mentioning things like extra AI minutes, bonus credits, special promotions, or limited time offers, instead of focusing purely on entering a coupon code. Now let's talk about the biggest way most people save money on Invideo AI: annual billing. Honestly, this is where many users get the largest discount. If you compare monthly billing with annual billing, the yearly option can often reduce your overall cost significantly. And unlike a temporary coupon code, those savings continue throughout the year. So before spending hours searching for promo codes online, I would always compare the monthly and annual options first. That alone could save you more than many coupon sites claim to offer. Now, another thing worth mentioning is bonus offers. Some promotional campaigns don't reduce the subscription price directly. Instead, they provide additional value such as extra AI minutes, bonus credits, or other incentives when you sign up through a specific offer. Some promotions have advertised bonus AI generation minutes rather than direct price reductions. So when you're comparing deals, don't just focus on the price. Look at the overall value you're receiving, because sometimes additional credits can be worth more than a small percentage discount. Now, if you do happen to find a valid promo code, the process is usually fairly simple. Log into your account, click upgrade, review the available plans, and if an apply coupon option is available, enter the code exactly as provided and apply it before completing your purchase. If you don't see a coupon field, don't panic. The promotion may already be attached through the referral link or offer page you're using. Now, here's my personal advice. Don't get too obsessed with finding the perfect coupon code, because at the end of the day, the biggest factor isn't saving $5 or $10. It's choosing the right plan. Many people buy more than they actually need. If you're new to Invideo AI, start small. Learn how credits work. Understand how often you're creating content. Then upgrade later if necessary. That approach usually saves more money than chasing endless coupon codes online. Now, before we finish, I want to mention something that many people overlook when buying software. Most people focus entirely on getting access, but access isn't the hard part. Getting results is. That's why I've put together what I call my 12K mega bonus for people who decide to get started through my link. The idea isn't just to help you create videos, it's to help you turn those videos into traffic, leads, subscribers, and potentially revenue. Inside, you'll get my 24-hour ranking system, which shows you how to get content ranking on YouTube and Google. You'll get List Prodigy, where I show you how to build an email list using AI. You'll get AI Content Mastery, which teaches how to create and sell digital products. You'll also receive access to over 90 Make Money online courses covering affiliate marketing, SEO, e-commerce, content creation, and digital business. And finally, you'll get my 10-day Invideo AI training series designed to help you get productive with the platform faster. So what's the final verdict? Yes, Invideo AI promotions and coupon offers still exist. But in 2026, they're not always presented the way older tutorials suggest. Sometimes the savings come through annual billing, sometimes through promotional links, sometimes through bonus credits and AI minutes, and occasionally through coupon codes themselves. My recommendation is simple. Focus on total value rather than just the coupon. Choose the right plan, take advantage of any active offers available, and make sure you're actually going to use the software consistently. If you'd like to check out the latest Invideo AI offers and everything I've mentioned, you'll find the links below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.